Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to create option in Google Sheets. First of all, open your Google Sheets app on your phone. Then you have to prepare a table like this, and I have prepared my table as you can see. And I also prepare for the options. It's from A1 cell until A3 cell right here. And if we want to put option on this column, we have to tap and hold the column and drag down the column like this. After that, we can click on this three dots button. Then there will be several options for us, and we have to choose data validation. And after that, on this criteria, we have to choose list from arrange. Just click on list from arrange, and we have to enter arrange our formula. And the Google Sheets has given us this instruction to follow. We have to follow the rule. Okay, let's practice it together. It's from A1 cell until A3 cell. All right, wait for a moment guys. Okay, and after that, we can click on this save button. Okay, and now the rule has been saved. And let's check it. We have to click on the column, and we can choose option A or option B or C. And I'll go with option B. Okay. And that's how we can create option in Google Sheets. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.